Hey guys, I just got my Glow Addict beauty box in, and here's what it looks like. What a cute little box. And this is how it comes. And they don't ever have a card to tell you what the products are or whatnot. But I did notice last time when I was looking through my emails, they do send out emails, or you can find it through their email, that tells you about the products that will be coming in the boxes. But this box is $18 or $19 a month, and you're supposed to get, I believe, 5 to 6 items. So yeah, let's check it out. So the first item I see is like a pale yellow microfiber beauty sponge, and there was no package or box. Now last box I got a pink sponge that came in a little plastic box. So that's the first item. The second item is called the CBD Coffee Lip Scrub. Now I did get this last box as well, so I've already gotten one of these, so this will be put up for a future giveaway. That really sucks because I've already gotten it. Now we have bubble wrap, and our third item is this beautiful pack of fake mink lashes, and it's their Aloha 3D fake lashes, and I guess that's the style, Aloha. Look how cute, because it doesn't have any other name. It just says a peony for your thoughts. So yep, that's it. So really pretty. Then, and I think every month you get a box of lashes, I believe, every time. So the fourth item in here is this Firm and Lift face mask by the brand JJ Young, and it says the lower lift, Firm and Lift. So it comes with 2 different pieces, and here's the one that I got, and they show 3 different face masks. And I actually got one of the other ones in my Glow Addict beauty bag, which is $12.99 a month, and I just got that one the other day. And this is the face mask that came in the bag, which is the Rejuvenate and Firming Mask. So now I have 2 of these. This one came in the bag, the orange one, and then the yellow one came in the box. So I've got these 2 right here. So I can't wait to try these out. And our 5th and last item in the box is this beautiful Medusa's Makeup eyeshadow palette. It's their Electro one. And I have been wanting to try this. It's funny because Medusa's Makeup actually has their own subscription box for like $16, $17 a month, and you get 4 full-size products. And I remember seeing a little pamphlet of them advertising this back in January, and I want to say that this retails for like $20, but I could be wrong. I was trying to look to see how much value this was, but when you open it up, it comes with a mirror, and it's cardboard. You can fold it all the way back, and here are all the beautiful shades. Comes with 12 shades in here, and I already swatched this so it would make the video much quicker. So here are all 12 shades. Now the top row is all mattes. It's like a red, orange, yellow, and like a pinky peach. And then these 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, is the second row of shades. Those 4. And those are mattes, like a matte with glitter. And then these 4, this one's hard to tell. It's the white glitter, then a black glitter, silver glitter, and gold. But these 2 definitely are a glitter. But these 2 feel more like those. So, and the top row, that one shade's called Andy. This one's Pop Culture, Always Sunny, Petal, Stiletto, Gravity, Feminist, Roxy, and then the white shade, look how gorgeous, is called White Hot. The black one is Galaxy. This all silver glitter is called Chalice. And then the gold shade is called Vice. So, yes, I'm excited to try this eyeshadow palette out. I think it's gorgeous. And these were all one swiped. I did not swipe twice, except for on this white shade. I did do that one twice to help it, see if it would help pop out. So, yeah, I'm super excited to try this out, and I'm glad I got this. And this company is cruelty and vegan free, Medusa's Makeup. So go check them out, and they have a subscription box, like I said. But now I have about 3 or 4 of Medusa's Makeup's unboxings on my channel. So if you're curious about this company, go check them out. Go check out my other videos. But let's go over everything I got in Glow Addict's beauty box. So we got the 12-pan Medusa's Makeup Electro eyeshadow palette, which I'm most excited about. We got this J.J. Young's Firm and Lift face mask. We got this Loha 3D fake mink false eyelashes that are really pretty. Cannot wait to try those out. We got this CBD coffee lip scrub that I already have, that I'll be putting up for a giveaway. Then we have the yellow microfiber beauty sponge. It does feel really nice, but I don't use these too much, and I already have a handful of sponges that I don't use much, because I don't use a lot of face products. Sometimes I put on blush and highlight, but I don't do that much. I definitely wear eyeshadow, mascaras, and lip stuff a lot. But so I don't think I'm going to hang on to this. I will put this up in my giveaway pile. So out of the 5 items, I'll be keeping these 3, and then these will be put up for giveaways. Alright, so that is everything we got in Glow Addict's beauty box. And I already opened up my Glow Addict beauty bag, which came with 4 items. So, you know, so look out for that video if you hadn't seen it already. Alright, so that is it. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see y'all next time. And let me know if y'all get Glow Addict's beauty box or bag, and let me know if you like it or not. Bye guys, see you next time.